Hi, Arnold Pears is my name, Professor of Science Education at KTH, the Royal Institute of Technology. This is a presentation designed to inspire people at the Unite Bootcamp that will be held in early June. What we've been talking about in Unite is how to offer truly integrated and shared education as part of the context of a European university. One way of looking at that is to think of education as being structured in virtual courses or virtual learning experiences. In this type of context, we can design a virtual course that has a home in no particular university with a long set of learning activities. So who interacts with this course? If we think that a Unite course should be a true collaboration between multiple universities, then at each university we have our own course. And these courses contribute both staff and students to this virtual educational experience. One of the challenges that we face in this context is that courses don't necessarily run for the same period of time. They're not necessarily of the same size in terms of number of working hours or number of credits. They might have students of different year levels who can contribute different levels of expertise, depending on the topic available. This type of virtual course exists nowhere. It exists in no university. And so it makes it possible then to take a subset of these learning activities and the results that students have achieved in them and transform that back into something that has relevance in an individual university context. What's important about this particularly is the time frame. Our course stretches over a period of time, but it may be that the course at University 1 introduces its students partway through the course, they participate for a window of time, and then the experiences that they've had contribute to the grading and their results in this particular university, whereas another university contributes its staff and students over a different period of time, partially or completely overlapping. This type of experience allows us to work with more holistic educational experiences, project-based learning and other larger scale educational activities, whilst at the same time preserving the general local resourcing for each university. So we already have staff, students and different types of teaching locations allocated to a particular course. Much of the learning, of course, is virtual, which means that we don't actually need to have physical rooms or other types of learning facilities perhaps available, but we do need platforms and technologies to facilitate this collaboration, which is one of the key challenges that Unite faces as it moves forward. Thank you.